Hello, my friends. So I'm out in my backyard again. And this week we are going to be talking about dinosaurs. And I thought being out in the yard was a good place to talk about dinosaurs because dinosaurs lived outside, right? So I have a book right here that's all about dinosaurs. It's called Dinosaur A to Z, and it is my favorite dinosaur book. It was actually my boy's dinosaur book. It's really long, so I can't read it all to you, but I'll show you a couple of my favorites. Look at those ones right there on the cover. I know you have some favorite dinosaurs too. This dinosaur right here is called an Allosaurus, and this one looks kind of a little bit like a T-Rex. This one is called the Baryonyx, and the Baryonyx is known for liking to eat fish. And this little picture right here tells you how big the dinosaur is compared to a man, which is pretty cool to think. It's pretty big. And here's a dinosaur that swam in the ocean. Look at him. Kind of a combination between a whale, a manatee. He swam in the ocean. This dinosaur you probably know. This one is a Triceratops. And there's the picture of how big the Triceratops was compared to a man. Just to give us an idea of how big it is. Pretty cool. Oh, and there also were some dinosaurs that flew in the sky like a bird. Let me see if I can find him. I think he starts with a Q. See, he flew in the sky like a bird. And some scientists think that our birds were related to dinosaurs. For example, I don't like this picture at all, but this dinosaur, a Leptotriceratops, he kind of is scary if you ask me. He kind of has a bird-like beak. And look, he wasn't very big at all. Not all dinosaurs were big. Anyway, so I think it's interesting that this book shows you the dinosaurs and how big they are compared to a man. Because you know what? People, humans like us, never lived at the same time that dinosaurs lived on our planet. Do you remember what the name of our planet is? That's right, planet Earth. We never lived at the same time. Millions and millions of years apart. So how do we know that dinosaurs existed? If we never lived at the same time, we never saw each other, how do we know? Well, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how scientists figured this out. So here's what I have. I'm going to have to move the camera just a little bit. But here's what I have. Can you see my volcano? I have a volcano. And there's little dinosaurs all around my volcano. See them? So, and this volcano was actually just made out of salt dough that I put a little bit of chocolate in it so that it looked brown. So we are going to make this volcano erupt and we'll see what happens. This is vinegar that I'm pouring in, but we're going to pretend like it's hot lava. And it's going to come out of the volcano. Oh no! And some of our dinosaurs are going to get stuck. And they're going to fall over. And the volcano is probably going to kill them because lava is hot, hot, hot. So these poor dinosaurs didn't make it after the volcano. So, scientists could look back at this years, millions of years later, and they would see in the rock left over from the volcano, they would see the prints of the dinosaurs. They could even see some scales and even some feathers. So what the scientists do is they studied those prints that were left behind after the dinosaurs died. The prints that were left in rocks called fossils. And they studied them. And that's how they knew that once on our planet Earth, there used to be dinosaurs back a long, long time ago. By studying the dinosaurs' fossils. Isn't that cool? The imprints that were left in the rock. That's how we know that dinosaurs existed. So stay tuned for more fun with dinosaurs. Bye, friends.